how to make a bird feeder. You'll need all of the following: nails, a hammer, a tape measure, a pencil, and safety goggles, a pile of wood, a table saw, a bandsaw, and a book of plans. I've chosen for my plans the birdhouse book, and I'm going to make this wonderful bird feeder. First, you need to measure the wood. I've measured all the wood but one. Let me draw this last one real quick. Now we have to cut the wood. Don't forget your safety goggles. Let's go cut the wood. Okay, I'm done cutting the wood, and I've already nailed some nails in the hard parts, and I've done the roof, and the roof was designed so that you can pull it off and pour the bird seed in. Nails on. I've cut all the wood and I've assembled most of the pieces. Now I'm going to paint. I figured it would be easier to assemble the smaller pieces after they've been painted, so you don't have to paint in all the smaller areas. Okay, I'm painting the roof blue, and I'm going to be painting the walls white, and the corners green. I've painted all the wood, and I've put on most of the pieces except for the front rail. To install the front rail, I have to drill holes and to put the screw through. I've put the clamps on so when I screw in the rail, it won't fall off while I'm screwing it in. And now I gotta screw it in. And now I have to take the clamps off and put the tables in. And you put the roof on, and you're done. And this is your finished project.